Always make sure the latch components are properly stored in the compartments when not in use. To store the latch, first, with the harness unbuckled, pull forward on the seat bottom pad to locate the latch storage compartment. Open the compartment door and store both latch straps in the compartments. Fold the latch straps and adjuster components so they lay flat and fit properly inside the compartment. Make sure the latch storage compartment is properly closed before replacing the fabric.